guys, it is me, Navi, coming at you with another video. So today, we're going to be doing something that I saw people do with the watermelon, but since it's Halloween, we're going to do it with a pumpkin. We're going to put rubber bands around it, and hopefully it explodes. Let's start. Here, you have a metal bag. Do it by yourself. I don't even. Dude, bye. It's your video now. Ah! Oh! Continue. Block it. One, two. Yeah. You're fat. You're so fat. No. Turn around. I'm RKOing you. No, I'm RKOing you. Turn around. Oh, okay. No, turn around.
Bitch, get out the way. Get out the way, bitch. Get out the way. Watch out, watch out, watch out. KO in midair. I hear voices in my head. They counsel me. They understand. They talk to me.
I'm gonna wear some goggles. Should I? No. I'm gonna do it. I don't know what you do. It broke. That was so cool. Dude, that was such a clean cut. That was such a clean cut. Wow. That was so bad. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching the video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Bye. You're such an asshole.